guys, today I'm going to begin a new series in which I show you how to solve Rubik's Cubes. Today I'll show you the 3x3. So let's start. First I'm going to tell you the basic movements. This is R, this is L, this is F, this is B, this is U, and this is D. Whenever you're moving clockwise, it will be a normal move. And whenever you're moving anti-clockwise, it will be a prime move. These are the center pieces, these are the edge pieces, and these are the corner pieces. In a 3x3, the centers are always at the same position. First, we'll solve the top layer, then the middle layer, then the bottom layer. Okay, so white is opposite yellow. So first we'll bring all the white edge pieces to the yellow side, making sure that the white side is facing the yellow. One is already done. So we'll bring this, then the other one is here. We'll bring that and this one. Okay, now they're all there. We'll match the centers individually, and I've done them all correctly, so we'll bring them all up to white now. That's done. We're done with the white cross. Now we'll align the corners. First we'll find a corner like this. So we'll match. So this is a white, green and orange side. Now it should come over here. So first we'll match the two colors like orange and orange because that's the only one that can match in this case. We'll move it away from orange or the color. We'll bring the place where we want it, we'll bring that side down. We'll put it there and we'll bring it up. And that's done. Now we'll do all the same for the other corners like this. This one is a white, green and red piece that should come here. So we'll match green and green, move it away from green, we'll bring this down and done. Let's do this for this. Now if it's stuck on the top, you can just move it down, move it to the side and up. And that's done. So now we'll match orange and orange. We'll move it away from orange, we'll bring this one down, move this there and up. The last one is stuck on the bottom, so we'll bring it to the place where it needs to be. We'll move that side down. Now that has come out, we'll move it down, and then we'll move that side up. This it matches red and red. Now we'll move it away from red. We'll bring that side down. We'll move it there and up. We're done with the first layer. Now we are going to solve the middle layer. As we can see, the centers are obviously already there. We just have to solve these edge pieces. Now we have to turn the cube upside down, being the white face on the bottom and the yellow on the top. Now we need to find a edge piece that does not have yellow on it. For example, this one. This has orange and yellow. Orange and blue. We'll bring it to orange as that is the face, as that is the color we can see. And now the top one is blue. On the yellow side it's blue and blue is here. So we'll move it away from blue. Then we'll bring this side up, bring it again to the color and bring this down. Now as you can see, a white is unsolved, and we'll just correct it as I showed you in the first layer. Now we'll move this orange and orange, move it away, down and done. So this edge piece is now solved. Now we'll look for others, but we don't have any. All of these are yellow edge pieces. That means they are already there, but they are not in the correct order. So we'll take them out like this. So we took this piece out, we'll put it back in. Now this thing, the edge piece has come out and it's here. So this as green and red, we'll move it to the green side. Now we'll move it away from red and we'll bring this up like this. Now we'll move, as we can see, this is unsolved, so we'll move it away from the green side. We'll bring this down and done. Now we can see there's this one, it's already with blue, so we'll move it away from red. We'll bring this up this side and this down. Now we can see this is unsolved, so we'll do the same thing. And for the last one, it's here, bring it to orange and we'll do the same thing. And we are done with the middle layer. Now we are going to solve the last layer, so turn the cube upside down. Again, white is on the bottom. So now we can notice first our goal is to make a yellow cross like this. So then now we can notice that there's an L. There are 4 situations it can be. Either it's only a dot, there's a line, there's an L, or it's a cross. If there's a cross, then you're very lucky and you can skip this step. But usually there will be something else. If there's a dot, you can do this algorithm from any side. If there's a line, make it sleeping, make it as a sleeping line and then do the algorithm. If it's an L, hold it like this in the top left corner and you can do the algorithm. The algorithm will be on screen, but I will show it to you as well. To do a front, up, right, up, right and front. Now we can see the cross is solved. If you have a dot, it will become a line. If you have a line, it will become an L, and if you have an L, it will become a cross. Now we are going to match these edges with their respective colors. Okay, so there are 2 cases. One is like this, where opposite sides will match. We can also do it like this, where these both will match. They're the same thing. Or it will happen that 2 adjacent sides are matched, edges are matched. In that case, well, I'll show you. First, if we have 2 of these opposite edges, we'll place one at the back and one at the front, and we'll do this algorithm. Right, up, right, up, right, up, up, right. Okay, so now all of them are matched. No, only these 2. So we'll place these both at the back. One at the back and one at the right side. We'll do the same algorithm. Right, up, right, up, right, up, up, right. And now we can see all of them are matched. In this step, we'll make sure all the edges are in the correct position. For example, this one. This is a yellow, green and red piece. It has to be over here, but it's currently over here. After this step, they all will be in the correct places. So now you can have 3 situations in this. There'll be either all of them are matching, in which you can skip this step. Then either none of them are matching, in which case you can do this algorithm from any side, and only one is matching, in which you'll have to be like this. This only one corner is matching, so you'll have to put it in the bottom right. So yeah, only one corner is matching, so we'll put that at the bottom and we'll do this series of steps. Top or up, right, up, left, up, right, up, left. And now we can see that all of the corners are in the correct positions. These both are not in the correct orientations, but we'll get to that in the next step. Our goal for this step is to make sure the corners are in the correct position, correct orientation, and then the cube should be solved. These 2 are already solved, these 2 are not. So whichever one we want to solve, we'll place it at the bottom right. We'll do this algorithm. Down, right, down, right, down, right, down, right, down. And now it's solved. Now we move on to the other side. Now we do the same. Right, down, 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 right, down. And now our Rubik's Cube is solved. So guys, I hope I could teach you how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. If you want to learn how to solve more Rubik's Cubes, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!